Imagine waking up tomorrow to a world where the stores are completely empty, shelves stripped bare overnight, banks have shut their doors, and suddenly, everything you depend on for daily life is just gone, vanished without warning. Today, I'm sharing the ultimate list of 20 absolutely essential items you'll need to survive an economic collapse. No fluff, just the real necessities that could make all the difference. I've consulted with top survival experts, dug deep into the research, and I've saved the most surprising, often overlooked item for the very end, so don't miss it. Grab a notebook, get comfortable, and let's dive right in together. The number one most critical resource for survival is clean drinking water. It's absolutely essential, and nothing else comes close in importance. While you can survive for weeks without food, your body can only go about 3 days without water before severe dehydration sets in. In a crisis, public water supplies can fail quickly and without warning, leaving you scrambling for alternatives. That's why you should store at least 1 gallon of water per person per day, half for drinking, half for sanitation and hygiene. For a family of 4, that means you'll need a minimum of 56 gallons to last 2 weeks, just to cover the basics. Use large containers, bottled water, or sanitized bottles to build your supply. Start small if you have to, but begin today and add to it regularly. Every survival plan depends on water, for cooking meals, cleaning yourself and your space, and even for first aid and medical needs. Without water, nothing else you prepare will matter. It's the foundation of survival. So, make securing your water supply your very first priority. Before anything else, ensure you and your loved ones have enough to stay safe. Next up, non-perishable food. In any emergency, having the right food on hand is absolutely essential for survival. Grocery shelves will empty in hours during a collapse, leaving many people unprepared and scrambling for supplies. Stock up on canned goods, vegetables, meats, and soups. These foods last for years and provide vital nutrients when fresh food isn't available. Add dry staples like rice, beans, pasta, oats, and peanut butter. These are filling, versatile, and easy to store for long periods. Choose foods your family will actually eat, so nothing goes to waste, and everyone stays comfortable during tough times. Aim for a 30-day supply per person. This gives you a solid buffer to weather most emergencies without worry. Focus on calorie-dense, long-lasting options to maximize your storage space and energy intake. This isn't hoarding. It's smart planning and responsible preparation for your loved ones. A full pantry means peace of mind when others are scrambling. You'll be ready, calm, and able to focus on what matters most. Third, first aid supplies. In a crisis, you're your own first responder. Go beyond Band-Aids. Get a trauma kit, tourniquets, gauze, antiseptics, burn cream, and OTC meds. Stock extras for family needs, like inhalers or EpiPens. Know how to use your kit. Practice basic first aid now. Buy a pre-made kit and customize it. Your emergency room could save a life, maybe your own. Number 4, personal hygiene. Disease spreads fast when sanitation breaks down. Stockpile soap, toothpaste, toothbrushes, deodorant, and feminine hygiene products. Don't forget trash bags for waste and a portable toilet if possible. Buy a little extra each trip. These basics keep you healthy and sane. Hygiene isn't a luxury, it's survival. Number 5, batteries. When the grid fails, batteries power your lights, radios, and medical devices. Stockpile AA and AAA batteries, plus rechargeables and a solar charger. Organize and rotate your supply. Batteries are your portable power grid. Don't be left in the dark. Number 6, flashlights and lanterns. Darkness is dangerous. Get multiple LED flashlights, headlamps, and area lanterns for every family member. Add hand crank lights for backup. Store them in easy-to-find spots around your home. Light is safety, comfort, and control. Number 7, warmth. If the power's out in winter, cold can kill. Layer up, thermal underwear, wool sweaters, hats, gloves, and socks. Stockpile heavy blankets and sub-zero sleeping bags. Insulate your home with blankets over windows and doors. Create a warm room for your family. Staying warm is survival. Number 8, water purification. Your stored water will run out. Get purification tablets and a portable water filter. Tablets are cheap and lightweight. Filters like Sawyer or Berkey last for thousands of gallons. Redundancy is key. Have both. Make any water source safe to drink. Number 9, a manual can opener. Don't let your food stockpile be useless. Have at least 2 sturdy manual openers. Practice using them. Keep one in your kitchen, car, and bug-out bag. Sometimes the simplest tools matter most. Number 10, fire starters. Fire means warmth, cooked food, and clean water. Stockpile lighters, waterproof matches, and a ferro rod. Add tinder like cotton balls with petroleum jelly. Practice building a fire in all conditions. Store your kit in a waterproof bag. Fire is a survival superpower. Number 11, a power bank for your phone. Your phone is a map, library, and emergency contact. Get a high-capacity power bank and a solar panel charger. Download offline maps and save digital copies of documents. Keep your phone charged. Information is power. A dead phone is just dead weight. Number 12, cash. When cards and ATMs fail, cash is king. Store small bills, 1s, 5s, 10s, 20s. Keep enough for a month's expenses, hidden safely at home. Don't rely on banks. Cash buys what you need when nothing else works. Number 13, prescription meds. If you rely on daily medication, stock up now. Ask your doctor for a 90-day supply or pay out of pocket for extras. Store them properly and keep a list of what you have. Plan for refrigeration if needed. Your life may depend on it. Number 14, a multi-tool or Swiss Army knife. Fix, cut, open, and repair anything. Invest in a quality brand with pliers, knife, saw, and screwdrivers. Get familiar with every tool before you need it. Keep one in your bag, car, and pocket. It's your portable toolbox for any emergency. Number 15, toilet paper. It's bulky, but it never expires, making it a smart choice. Stock up gradually, aim for several months' supply at least. Alternatives are unsanitary and unpleasant. You'll thank yourself later, trust me. Number 16, duct tape. Fix almost anything, patch tents, seal windows, make splints, get several rolls of industrial-strength tape, wrap some around water bottles or lighters for easy carry. In a world without stores, repair is survival. Duct tape is your best friend. Number 17, heirloom seeds. Your food stockpile will run out. Seeds let you grow more. Choose non-GMO, heirloom varieties for replanting. Learn to garden now. Practice matters. Start small, gain experience, and build food security for the long haul. Seeds are your future. Number 18, pet food. Your pets need their own stockpile. Store 30-60 days of dry food in airtight containers. Don't forget meds, leashes, and litter. Pets are family. Plan for them too. Their comfort is your morale boost. Number 19, cleaning supplies. Sanitation prevents disease. Stock bleach, trash bags, dish soap, laundry detergent, and pest control. Bleach disinfects and can purify water in emergencies. Keep your space clean to stay healthy. The war on germs is daily. Number 20. Important documents. In a crisis, your identity and proof of ownership are everything. Gather originals, birth certificates, IDs, deeds, insurance. Store them in a waterproof, fireproof bag. Make photocopies and digital scans on encrypted USB drives. Keep backups in multiple locations. This kit lets you rebuild your life. That's your 20-item survival blueprint. Start prepping now, one item at a time. Share this video and talk to your loved ones. Prepared communities are safer communities. Thanks for watching. Smash that subscribe button for more survival guides. Stay safe, stay ready. See you in the next video.